Hey guys, this will be a quick tutorial about how to export hard body animations from Softimage to CryEngine 3 using SoftCry. For this example we'll just use or export like a door-ish type of animation, an open animation. I've set up the hierarchy and models already. I have one root null. It can be a geometry, a mesh too, but it does not have to be. It should, however, only be either a null or a mesh and nothing else. You should not use any bones or other special objects in the export hierarchy. These two cubes will be animated themselves, so they are not parts or children of animated nulls or anything, so you can directly animate geometry if you want to, or use nulls, whatever you like. I have not yet animated them, so I'll do that now. I guess we can. It's not a true open animation, but it's gonna do as an example. Now, before you export, this is basically nearly everything you have to do before you export. Just animate it, set it up. The only thing you need to do is create one animation clip for every animation you have. So if you had multiple animations in one scene, you'd have to create multiple clips. For example, I could showcase that. Let's make another animation from 31 to 60. For example, in 45 we could have, or we have to make another. We can 45 move it up, and this one down. Alright, so in this case we have one animation from our open animation from 1 to 30. Save. Add another one. Edit that one. That's, I don't know, open vertical. That's from 31 to 60. Save that one. Close it down, then go back to point 1. Branch select your root. Everything should be below, or they should, at the top level, there should only be one object. So you shouldn't have all three of those, or only those two at the top level, and only select those two. It's always better, or maybe even required, to have one top level object. So branch select that one with the mouse wheel button, then go to the export dialog. Select the path. Let's just real quickly delete that, so we can re-export it. Door.cga. It doesn't matter if you have CGA or CGF or whatever, or just door, because the actual output will be determined by this setting here, which you have to set to CGA space ANM. Make sure you have do not merge checked. That's required for animations. Then make sure you have it selected and hit export. Wait for it to finish, then go into the sandbox to test it. You can just open up the character editor. Find the door. And then zoom in on it. You can see in the animation tab you'll have both clips. The open animation, the vertical, open vertical. In terms of files you'll get, will be 3 files in this case. One for just the geometry and hierarchy, that's the .cga. It in this case does not contain any animation. And then for every clip you have, you will get one .anm file, which will be named like the CGA name underscore the clip name. So our 2 clips are open and open vertical, as you can see. Where is it? Here, open and open vertical, and in CryEngine and in the file. You will see like those are our names, so they will be appended to the main name. That should be everything you have to do for hard body animations.